morning, YouTube. I just wanted to break a quick video. I'm actually on my way to work, and I wanted to give you a little tour in the daylight of my home fall decor. This is my entryway, and we actually went apple picking, pumpkin picking, and every year we get a green pumpkin and we wait for it to turn. That has become a family tradition that we do in Hallsville. These are my door wreaths, and I got them from Home Goods. Got them early on, and I believe they were $29.99 when I got them. I don't have all my pictures hung up yet. We've only moved here in July, but we've been so busy. But this is my center piece on my table. I don't have all my tablescape done, but I want to show you my dollar store pumpkins. And you can look at a previous video and see that. And these were wreaths that I had already had that I just put with the dollar store. I got these leaves from the dollar store. And again, you'll see those in a previous video. These stems came from the dollar store. These picks, I had them for a while. They came from the rag shop. I'm dating myself. That was a long time ago. And if you notice the vase that it's in, the vase that it's in is actually a lampshade, a sequence lampshade that I found from a thrift store, and I thought it would be a great vase. Again, once you buy something, it's yours. Dollar store pumpkins. The black one came out amazing. The orange ones, I got the push pins again from the Dollar Tree. Painted one white. Painted one orange and white. And again, those are all from the Dollar Tree. This is my fruit. And my fruit came from the Dollar Tree. So check Dollar Tree, they have these all the time. My husband likes to have fruit out, and I hate fruit flies, so that's our compromise. We put the fresh fruit in the fridge. And we made one pumpkin with an H on it, our emblem. This is another entryway table. Here's my door. And you come here, entryway table. That was the dining room that we went into first. And I got this piece right here from thrift store. Yeah, got it from the thrift store. And actually, I left the tag on it because I wanted to show you. It was $3.49. And I just came and cleaned the leaves up and gave them some new life. And got this little pumpkin from a different thrift store for 50 cents. And thought it could find its home there. This is a to be continued project here. These are dollar store mirrors. And I need a substantial wall piece. And I think that's about $26 worth of mirrors. And to be continued. So here's my centerpiece on my table, on the coffee table. Again, my dollar store tree pumpkins. Except for this one. This one was $1, but not from the Dollar Tree. And that was done on a previous video. You saw those pumpkins. The remnants of the sunflowers from sunflower picking. And another Dollar Tree pumpkin. That's going to go to my office at work. This is my tablescape. It's a vase that I had, some flowers that I had already had. And my orange chargers. Actually, I had a whole bunch of silver chargers one year, and I wanted orange chargers for Thanksgiving. And so my husband actually spray painted those for me. I got the plates from Home Goods, and they were on sale, I think, for $2.50. And they only had 4, so I thought it would be nice for my little breakfast section over here. Yeah, so we're getting ready for harvest. Oh, the pillows. The pillows are old pillows. My cat is outside. And I just got the pillowcases. And I got these pillowcases from Amazon. They came very quick. And I bought pillows before, but I'm like, I can't keep buying pillows and I want to change decor. So I decided that I will buy pillowcases instead. So that is my video. And I hope you enjoyed it. and you have a great day. Don't forget to click and subscribe so that you can see what's next.